Tenon Medical is a medical device company that specializes in sacroiliac joint fusion, a surgical procedure that aims to relieve chronic pain in the lower back and pelvis caused by inflammation or degeneration of the joint that connects the spine and the pelvis. The company's mission is to optimize sacroiliac joint surgical solutions by delivering the latest innovation in this field. The company's flagship product is the Catamaranus IJ Fusion System, which offers a patented new surgical option that places a single implant directly into the sacroiliac joint. The implant is designed to stabilize and fuse the joint over time, reducing pain and improving function. The Catamaranus IJ Fusion System has several advantages over traditional methods of sacroiliac joint fusion, such as less invasive surgery, shorter operative time, less blood loss, faster recovery, and lower complication rates. Tenon Medical was founded in 2014 by Richard Jin, a veteran engineer and inventor in the medical device industry, who also serves as the Chief Technology Officer and a director of the company. The company is led by Stephen Foster, who has over 30 years of marketing and sales experience in orthopedics and spine surgery. The company also has a strong board of directors and advisors, including Richard Ferrari, Frank Fisher, Stephen Hochschuler, Ivan Howard, and Robert Weigel, who have extensive backgrounds and expertise in medical device development, finance, regulation, and clinical practice. Tenon Medical is based in Los Gatos, California, and has raised over $50 million in funding from various investors, including Banco Santander and NeuroPace. The company plans to use the funds to expand its product portfolio, increase its market penetration, and pursue new opportunities in the sacroiliac joint fusion space. Tenon Medical is committed to providing patients with chronic sacroiliac joint pain with a refined surgical option that can improve their quality of life. The $50 million funding will help Tenon Medical expand its medical device portfolio in several ways. First, it will support the commercialization of the Catamaranus IJ Fusion System, a novel, less invasive device for sacroiliac joint fusion surgery. The Catamaranus IJ Fusion System uses a single, robust titanium implant that passes through both the ilium and sacrum, transfixing the SI joint along its longitudinal axis. This device has received 510(k) clearance from the FDA and has shown favorable biomechanical performance in testing. Second, the funding will enable Tenon Medical to develop new products based on its patented technology and expertise in sacroiliac joint fusion. Tenon Medical aims to provide surgeons and patients with more options and solutions for treating sacroiliac joint pain, a common and debilitating condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Third, the funding will allow Tenon Medical to conduct clinical studies to demonstrate the safety and effectiveness of its technology in real-world settings. Tenon Medical has received Institutional Review Board approval for 2 strategic post-market studies, a prospective, multi-center study to evaluate the clinical outcomes of patients treated with the Catamaranus IJ Fusion System, and a retrospective study to compare the Catamaranus IJ Fusion System with other sacroiliac joint fusion devices. These studies will provide valuable data and evidence to support the adoption and reimbursement of Tenon Medical's products. In summary, the $50 million funding will help Tenon Medical expand its medical device portfolio by commercializing the Catamaranus IJ Fusion System, developing new products, and conducting clinical studies. These activities will position Tenon Medical as a leader and innovator in the field of sacroiliac joint fusion.